So why the rNetwork? Well, I've been around since the beginning, and I've never seen such dedication from the team, which starts at the top with Richard Smith, the founder, his partners, the staff, the technical team, are just doing everything top rate right out of the gate. They will release a product when it's time. They will negotiate on our behalf to make sure it's lucrative, and everything they decide to do has us in mind.
I didn't think I could save any money because I live in such a small area. There weren't a lot of local merchants or discounts in our area, but I did use the rmobile concierge service, and we were able to switch 6 lines over to Sprint, get 3 new phones paid for, and cut our monthly phone bill in half. I was surprised at how often going on trips just to nearby states that we've been able to save money here and there on our food. And for Christmas, we're surprising our kids with a little vacation, and we'll be saving money there in the hotels through rNetwork travel for that.
What I really love about this business is the perks. You know, me and my wife, we can't stop. We're so fascinated by it. I mean, we're getting buy one, get one free at Hawaiian barbecues. Even the owners are asking questions about where we got these deals. I went to Macaroni Grill the other day. Our bill should have been over 120 bucks. We got a couple bottles of wine. We had steak, you know, the kids had their meals. And instead of the bill being 120, it dropped all the way down a little under $85. And so what we're doing, guys, is simply saving money where we spend money, and we're stacking commissions. That's all we do, guys. We simply share savings and stack commissions. And so it's a breath of fresh air, the fact that I don't have to be a salesperson and convince people why my product is better than everybody else's.
Me and my family, we were going on vacation. That hotel, I started looking, I said, I'm just gonna check something. And man, we saved over $200 on our hotel stay. And I was just blown away by that. And I was like, wow, this is awesome. And with all the different things that rNetwork has to offer, and every single time you turn around, they got something new coming out, something different coming out. To think about rNetwork, it's just so awesome to be able to help other people save and to make money by helping other people to save. So I really like rNetwork a lot, and I'm really excited to be a part of this. I am really looking forward to what the future holds with rNetwork.